2006 Bobcat T-190 track skid loader. It's a video inspection. This item is available for sale on eBay. Comes with a 4-in-1 bucket. Take a look at that right now. It's got nice teeth in the bucket. Like I say, it's 4-in-1. Take a look at the operator's compartment here. Got one little tear in the seat. The machine has 3,050 hours on it. It's got the optional controls. You can either control the bucket with your feet or with your wrists. Take a look at the left-hand track there. Tracks are about 50%. Carrots looks good. Back of the machine here. Take a look and open up the door and take a look at the motor. It's got the Bobcat motor on it. Actually, excuse me, it's got the Kubota motor on it. It's been serviced regularly.